Morning vlog. It is the morning of the Smile Jamaica interview, as I'm telling you in the other footage. As I'm telling you in the other footage, so we're supposed to reach here for 7 o'clock. It is now 6:45. And they're too far. Hopefully there's not a lot of traffic and we can just cruise through and reach on time. I think I'll be on the TV about 7:40. But for the people who miss it now, I'm gonna try capture it and put it in the vlog. It's either from the camera or from the TV. I don't know how I'm gonna capture it, but hopefully I can, so I see it. I thought about Get Fest, where the panel I'm gonna dip on tomorrow, and some other little things I suppose. So I'm ready up now, and I'm gonna head out. I will check back with you when we reach. So a little bit. Bling blow. Reach Smile. Just get a call a while ago. I think one of the producers asked if I'm here, so just make sure I'm doing at the parking lot. So I head inside of the building. I don't know how filming go if you can actually film on the inside. I think you can. So wherever I can film, I will film, and wherever I cannot film, I will not film. Okay. Good. I got my car keys, I got this, and I just keep the camera rolling and go inside to talk to people and let them know I am who I am, and I am here for what they say I am here for. Good morning, Kevin, Too Crazy for Smile Jamaica. Let's sit here. Thank you. So we just gotta wait now for somebody to come, and you can come with me. I thought for the people that will never come to Smile Jamaica, when I get a little prips of the inside when you step into the lobby. And it's my first time here, so I don't know if you know, but they do an interview already and things. Jamaica DWL when that did the on TV. I'm used to have to come down there. Was it every like Wednesday or Monday? For shoot. And then go back home. So the day and I place me. As I said, I'm going to try to show it as much as I possibly can. It would be nice if I can actually bring this on set and record what I'm doing. But we are going to ask, and then we will see if that is a possibility. Remember that told them about radio, we lick the head one time. That time we radio. We're inside now, so we're just signing in on everything, waiting to go on, like where the production is taking place. Sign name and all them little thing there, you know. Security. It doesn't look like that. Kevin. How you doing? Yeah. Oh, you're okay. I see.
I lost my glasses though, so
oh.
I'm not gonna match up like this close.
Understood, man. Yes, I do.
Are you on Instagram too?
Instagram, Facebook, everywhere.
That's the Instagram.
Kevin, Kevin, the number 2, WOR. There we go. Right on top. So it's two of us here to talk about the program. Me and the gentleman right here. And Andre. There we go, Andre. So we're in the waiting room now. I think the next step is makeup. Then when it's our time, hey, they give a little touch up if they need it. So that's the next step after here. I don't think I can bring the camera in there because there's a little rule. There we go. There's a little set of rules that we have to follow, so I don't think so. When you're finished, just call Andre. Alright, no problem. Hey, how you doing? It's so much more important because we all have access
access to everybody's information by doing a quick Google search.
I get made up, you know.
So I recently just wrote an article about, just
Look at time.
the importance of protecting your online brand.
You don't mind me, filming.
Are making a decision about either.
I mean, it will be there, but if it's a problem, I blur you out. I blur you out of it. Okay, good.
Do I handle my own PR or?
That's it? Thank you.
I congratulate you on your achievements.
Alrighty.
What? 2018 Vital Voices, 2017 Scotiabank.
We go quick and fast. Yes, as I was saying, they were saying that recordings of any setting is prohibited. Yeah, it's on the little studio rules and operation procedures, so we'll just get the footage some other way. But yeah, so we'll wait for going and we talk, and then after that, that's that. We're done. Quick, fast. There's some ladies inside the local room here changing. I think the models. Yeah? It's okay. Models.
So the Caribbean's largest community film festival is back for another staging. Here before the screens turn on, Canadian filmmaker Andre Newell and social media influencer, and I'm told comedian, Kevin. So maybe we should just stop and let him do some stuff for us. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Welcome. Welcome back. I don't know if I must say welcome back home. You were born here.
Yes, I was born here.
But you live in Toronto, so Toronto is
Yeah,
home.
well, this is still home. Yeah,
It is still
this
home.
is still home.
You come often?
Yeah, very often. I was here in March, so.
Where in Jamaica you from?
I was born in Kingston and I grew up in Brownstown.
Okay.
So I was young, and then moved to Canada.
Kevin, social influencer means what?
I'm somebody on the social media that, provide influence, whether it's through entertainment or any other means. But that's what I do. I influence the people via social media.
Boy, if you don't get...
So your role
In a positive way.
So your role in GATFest would be what exactly?
Tomorrow I'll be speaking on a panel, which talks about how you can get opportunities via social media through, using up the different channels.
Okay, in a nutshell, without giving everything away, what will you tell them?
I will tell them that just provide good content and it will draw the brands in.
Yeah. How would you know I would want to watch you on social media?
I do not know.
Right.
But
So how do you get me there then?
you create the content. That's the first step. You always have to create the content, and if the people like it, they will always come back for more. They will support you in whatever you do.
Where did this come from with you? Why did
I
you start it?
started in 2012.
Right.
It was a means of, I was about to leave college, so I said I wanted to do something that was not in the traditional sense of getting a job. So
Okay.
started to do YouTube, and that took off, and posted the videos, and now I'm into Instagram.
And
all
your
of that.
comedy would be what? About what you see on the road? Is it raunchy? Is it
everything.
family?
Everything. It's edgy. It's about everything. It's
edgy,
different.
as in controversial?
Yes.
No!
Sometimes it is. It pulls. It draws conversation.
No! Nigga.
Okay,
Yeah.
which is good. Which is good.
Yeah.
Am I going to see one day that you've made this blockbuster film in Hollywood, and I could say, I know that guy?
Well, yes, for sure. You're going to be there with me anyway, so, And, yeah, man, or my name will be somewhere in the credits
But
somewhere.
is that the hope, the wish? Is that what you want to do?
Yes, my thing is I just want to encourage people to, because it wasn't my core thing to make film. I made film because it's just something I was interested in and didn't see a way, so I just started. So I want to get the message out to people that you can start somewhere. It's okay if you're not great at first. And I would just like to see Jamaica become one of the largest film producers in the world.
Yeah.
Sprinter's coming out July 3rd. And I hope we learn to support those local films and eventually, build our own star system.
Yeah. we've said it a couple of times as we come to the end of the interview that you've brought films with you. You brought them as a director, a producer, the owner of the film, you star in it, or you do everything?
Everything across the board. You see my name somewhere in all of them.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
fantastic. Great to meet you.
Great to meet you too, sir.
Yeah, man. I'm a virgin.
Blessings.
Give me a joke.
What?
Give me a joke, right?
You have to go to the channel.
But you're a comedian.
Barely.
You're up on YouTube and Instagram and all these.
How do they find you?
Kevin Too Crazy on YouTube, Kevin Too Crazy, Instagram, Facebook. KEVIN, the number 2, WOKRAYZEE.
Okay. So you're not giving a joke.
Yeah, that's.
You have to follow for the joke.
Can you give one?
Give me one.
Joke. I'm going to use it and don't pay me. Canadian filmmaker Andre Newell and social media influencer and comedian Kevin.
Finish the interview with nice, quick stuff. You know, get what needs to be said out there. I think Andre is
All right, big man.
leaving now.
Yeah.
You work on Sprinter. You work on it.
No.
But,
I was actually in a KFC yesterday, and Rob Mailer, who's one of the producers, and some of the stars came in to do a commercial.
Okay,
And they kicked me out of my seat at KFC. But go see it anyway.
Yeah, so if you don't know the film with Ellie starring,
Yeah.
Sprinter, is coming to Jamaica July
3rd.
July 3rd.
Yeah.
So everybody go see, just like I want to go support all the other films from outside of Jamaica, make sure everybody go see the Yard film. Is in Sprinter. Andre,
man, go
big
see
up
it.
yourself again.
Yeah, man. Big up Jamaica, big up Gatfest.
That first.
All right.
Tomorrow we're up on the
Kevin.
panel, so
Yeah, man.
we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
All right, take
All
care.
right.
Yeah.
Look more. I head on home, you know, cause I'm hungry and them thing there. You know, say all this time. Hold on. Check up. You know, say all this time the car out there open.
You a big idiot, man.
A joke, like the question we never asked me about, like what you call the thing? What makes me a social influencer? You don't know what my answer say. I am a social influencer because I be influenced by social media. Nigga, what? Dumbass. I don't know when I go back and watch the interview, I see how I look like a damn good. I never really talking to me. It was more so about Gatfest. But I am here, you know, as a nice little face. For that nice little interview still. Nice little interview, man. I got me out, you know, wanna relax.